Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. For Punjab and Haryana High Court exercise number 7 लीगल मैटर। कुछ स्टूडेंट बोल रहे हैं कि सर हमें काफ़ी अच्छे वाले वर्ड चाहिए। ये इसमें एडवांस मैगज़ीन आपके अगर ये 2 मैगज़ीन आप इसको कर लोगे तो आपका जो टेस्ट है स्किल टेस्ट पंजाब एंड हरियाणा कोर्ट के लिए इनाफ है। कहीं पे आपको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये काफ़ी अच्छे वर्ड हैं, इसको आप टाइप करें। टाइप करने के बाद आप मैच करें। टाइप में आप ये बताते नहीं कि मुझे हमारी सर कितनी मिस्टेक आई है कितनी नहीं आती है, तो अब मुझे पता कैसे चल पाएगा कि आपको डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड चाहिए या आपको आसान वर्ड चाहिए। इसलिए आप टाइप कीजिए। टाइप करने के बाद जो बच्चा टाइप करेगा उसी का सिलेक्शन होगा, अदरवाइज जो टाइप नहीं करेगा कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है शॉर्ट हैंड में लिखने का उसका। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। A municipal committee enjoys powers of taxation not as a legislature but as a delegate of the legislature. Taxes levied by it are in effect levied by the government. What the municipality does in exercise of the delegated power can be effective only if the conditions laid down with the grant of the power are compelled with and the government finally approves the tax. Once the government after giving its approval has notified its imposition in the government gazette, the tax is deemed to be conclusively imposed in accordance with the procedure laid down. The conditions which are laid down are for the protection of taxpayers and some others are for ministerial operations. The first kind are fundamental and cannot be overlooked. Conditions which promote dispatch or provide for ministerial operation are directory and substantial compliance is sufficient. Where a verb used in a provision governs 2 different matters, it cannot be given one meaning insofar as it relates to one matter and another meaning insofar as it relates to another matter. Since 94 bracket में 3 is clearly directory, it is immaterial to consider whether 131 bracket में 3 is directory. It is immaterial to consider whether directory or mandatory on to read as partly one and partly the other and depart from the immoral rule of construction which discountenances reading a word in a provision 2 different senses. The essential requirement of 94 bracket में 3 is publication in a local newspaper. Where the requirement is satisfied, the omission is obtained a direction from the state government permitting publication in a newspaper other than one in Hindi language is not of much consequence. Upon this view, the question whether 131 bracket में 3 is mandatory or whether 135 bracket में 3 has become void by reason of article 13 bracket में 1 of the constitution or whether it ran a defect resulting from the non-compliance with a mandatory provision does not at all also arise for consideration. This is an appeal on an certificate granted by the Allahabad High Court. The applicant is a public limited company and owns 2 sugar factories situated in the city of Rampur. The factories comprise a number of buildings, including some for residential purposes also. The Municipal Board of Rampur, hereinafter referred to as the respondent, decided to impose water tax in Rampur as provided under Section 128 bracket में 1 of the UP Municipalities Act number 11 of 1916 bracket में hereinafter referred to as the Act full stop bracket close. The procedure for the imposition of tax by the municipal board under the Act is provided in section 135 to 135 full stop. Procedure has been filed by the two petitioners Sita Ram Singh and his son Ranjit Singh, who are named accused in case number 710/2000 pending before the Adalat Chief Judicial Magistrate Janjarpur. The petitioners have paid for questioning of an order dated 18/1/2001 passed by the learned magistrate in the aforesaid case, whereby the bail granted to petitioners by order dated 1/9/2000 has been cancelled by the same magistrate on two grounds. According to petitioners, the cancellation of their bail is illegal, improper and unjust because the first ground, that is subsequent death of the injured and addition of section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, is impermissible in law of cancellation of bail, and the other ground, threatening of witnessing, has been accepted without any inquiry and verification. Because the matter involved cancellation of bail already granted to the petitioners, hence the matter was heard in details at the admission stage itself. So far as the second ground mentioned in the impugned order of the to the effect that the accused persons are tampering with evidence is concerned, there is no controversy that on such a ground, if properly inquired and established, the bail already granted can be cancelled. But on facts, there is no difficulty in holding that a delegation to this effect has not been inquired properly, and learned magistrate erred in using this as an additional ground for cancellation of petitioner's bail. It was rightly pointed out on behalf of the petitioners that in Annexure 3, a petitioner filed by the Adalat Public Prosecutor dated 6/9/2000, there is no allegation of tampering, and cancellation of petitioner's bail was sought only on the ground that the injured had died after about a fortnight, and in view of section 302 of the IPC being attracted, the bail earlier granted in a case then under section 307 IPC should be cancelled for the ends of justice. No doubt in a petition for cancellation of bail filed by the informant on 11/9/2000 as contained in Annexure 4, the allegation of threatening of prosecution witnesses was mentioned in paragraph 10 in a general manner without specific particulars, but in another petition by the informant dated 14/9/2000 as contained in Annexure 5, some grievance was raised against the policies, but there was no allegation of tampering. By the order dated 15/9/2000, which is part of Annexure 2, notice was issued to the accused persons as to why their bail be not cancelled full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपका 4, 7 और 8 एक्सरसाइज, इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए और आप मिस्टेक नहीं बताते कि कितनी हमारी निकली है कितनी नहीं निकली है। मिस्टेक बताइए आप, मिस्टेक बताने के बाद फिर आप देखेंगे कि क्या आपकी पोजीशन है क्या नहीं पोजीशन है। और इसकी PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आपको मिल जाएगी। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, स्टॉप।
धन्यवाद।